A recent study by S&P Global reveals that nearly half of electric vehicle owners opt for a gas-powered car for their next vehicle, indicating a lack of urgency among Americans to embrace the electric revolution promoted by various brands. Today, we're going to discuss why EV owners are demanding gas cars back. The data indicates that 75% of luxury EV households tend to stick with electric vehicles. This loyalty is predominantly observed among Tesla customers. The study notes a significant decline in the percentage of non-Tesla EV owners committed to electric vehicles, dropping from 81% in 2021 to 52.1% in 2023. Tom Libby, Associate Director for Loyalty Solutions and Industry Analysis at S&P Global Mobility, highlights that original equipment manufacturers invest significantly in EV development, making it undesirable for them if an EV owner reverts to an internal combustion engine vehicle. Many former electric vehicle owners encountered challenges related to pricing, range, and infrastructure that deterred them from repurchasing an electric vehicle. Consequently, a significant number reverted to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles or opted for hybrids to address these concerns. The luxury EV segment also witnessed a decline in loyalty, dropping from 70% to 60% over the past 18 months. Among major brands with return-to-market volumes exceeding 1,000 households year-to-date through July, Nissan demonstrated the highest EV loyalty at 63.2%, closely followed by Chevrolet at 60.6%. It's important to note that these percentages represent overall EV loyalty, not specifically loyalty to Nissan EVs or Chevrolet to Chevrolet EVs. Specific electric vehicle models exhibited varying trends in customers transitioning back to internal combustion engine vehicles. For instance, only 37.3% of Ford Mustang Mach-E households opted for another EV, with 45.8% choosing a gas-powered vehicle. Notably, a significant portion of these buyers selected a Ford truck or SUV equipped with either a hybrid or ICE powertrain, indicating that factors such as vehicle type and capability may outweigh the importance of the power source. The data suggests that while many Americans are willing to explore electric vehicles, the adoption may not align seamlessly with individual lifestyles and needs. Unless drivers primarily use their cars for local commutes in areas with sufficient EV infrastructure, there may not be enough justification for the average driver to make the switch. Pure electric vehicles exclusively rely on electricity for power and necessitate charging infrastructure, whereas hybrid EVs combine a traditional combustion engine with an electric propulsion system. Honda Motor Co., the second largest seller of hybrid cars in the United States, witnessed a 67% increase in hybrid sales compared to 2020, reaching a record 107,060 units last year. Dave Gardner, Executive Vice President at Honda, expressed the company's intention to substantially boost hybrid sales for core products like CR-V and Accord in the coming years, as they prepare for the launch of their first EV in the US market in 2024. Honda anticipates a surge in the market driven by new model launches from various automakers and policy support from the Biden administration. Gardner acknowledged that while consumer acceptance may take time to catch up, it's just a matter of time. Hyundai Motor Co. views hybrids and plug-in hybrids as facilitators that will expedite the adoption of battery EVs, as stated by Jose Munez, the company's global chief operating officer. Munez highlighted that while some competitors directly focus on battery EVs, Hyundai recognizes a considerable number of consumers who remain hesitant and see hybrids as a transitional step. Some people may find this figure startling. However, the study's main focus was on the factors that caused individuals to return to using petrol, and those findings are not at all that shocking. In the study published by the Nature Energy Journal, researchers Scott Hardman and Gil Tal stated, based on data from 5 questionnaire surveys, we can find that PEV's discontinuance occurs in California at a rate of 20% for owners of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles and 18% for owners of battery electric vehicles. We demonstrate that discontinuance is associated with a number of factors, including not being male, having fewer vehicles in the home, not having level 2 charging available, and being dissatisfied with the ease of charging. Hence, there is a greater degree of loyalty towards battery electric vehicles compared to plug-in hybrids. This outcome is not unexpected, as plug-in hybrids have often been viewed as a transitional technology aimed at facilitating the shift towards fully electric vehicles. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below.